Welcome, the Art-tastic sisters here. So today I decided that I'd draw a portrait of a person for the first time. Well, actually I decided to do it yesterday, but leave that. So I decided to draw a portrait for the first time and I did it, like half of it. I've done the drawing part and I now have to do the shading part. So I did not shoot the drawing part as a video because I was not sure about myself. Like I was not sure how it would turn out to be. But yeah, I have taken a few snapshots, a few pics in between, so I'm gonna show you that. And even if I had shot that part, it took a lot of time and it would be too long even in time-lapse to add it to this video. This is a drawing and now I'm going to take the time-lapse of me shading it. So here I am with my pencils ready to draw. So let's get started. Well, this is a final portrait. I know it did not turn out that well, but considering the fact that I'm doing it for the first time, I think it turned out not that bad. If I have to say how much time I took for doing this, including the drawing and the shading part, I took about 4 to 5 hours finishing it. And I'll admit it was really hard drawing this portrait. In fact, no, the drawing part was not that hard. I expected the drawing part to be hard and the shading part to be easy, but it turned out to be the opposite. And this person is actually our father. I would like to use this opportunity to thank our mom and dad for constantly supporting us and being there for us. They are the most awesome people in our lives and they are the best parents, I should say. And actually, we're nothing without them. So thank you so much, mom and dad. Yes, that's it for this video and I hope you liked it. And yes, if you did that, you can hit the like button, the usual things, share this video, subscribe to our channel. And yes, there are some videos on the screen which you may like, so click them and watch. And if you have any suggestions or anything that you would like to see from us, you can put it down in the comments. And see you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.